This skill is about growing another set of eyes and another set of arms. If you already have children, you already have them. You can skip over this lesson. In some ways, if you don't feel you have them, or this is your first baby, then we're talking to you. Many women complain about having this ache sort of right back here when they're pregnant for the first time. And we call that the arm buds for the second set of arms. You know, the Indian goddess that has all these arms all over the place. And it's a woman, it's not a man. So when women have their first child, they have to grow a second set of arms. And men do as well. Except that when we live in a world where women are expected culturally to take care of their children, men don't grow those arms as early. In the modern cultures, in your nuclear family where you're going to be expected to help with a newborn, you're going to grow the second set of arms earlier. And it's funny, go onto YouTube. I saw a wonderful video clip about fathers absolutely catching their children. I mean, they were, spontaneous. Somebody was filming something, the kid fell and the father went, but there's some really amazing ones. So that's the second set of arms and the second set of eyes, which we're going to talk about in this lesson as well. In many traditional cultures where raising children is women's business, men don't get involved with children much until the age of 5. And if it's a culture in which men and women are separate culturally, then the boys begin to go with the men at about the age of 5. And it's then that the men develop their second set of arms and second set of eyes. But we don't live that way anymore. We live more in a humanistic world. That doesn't mean people don't have religions or faiths. It means that we're seeing men and women more as human beings, which we are primarily. When women are growing the second set of arms, they can feel very, very clumsy at first. And there are so many things that you have to get for your baby in the modern world. It's just remarkable. So you feel you're holding on to the baby and you're picking up this and you're doing that. And if women are learning to breastfeed, it's like all hands, trying to get the nipple to the mouth, trying to get the baby settled, trying to get it in the right position. If you're bottle feeding, it's sterilizing it and turning this with a crying baby over your shoulder. So the second set of arms comes in great. And the fact is that we all develop them. And we get to the point where we can juggle a telephone and we can juggle a baby and we can stir a pot and we can take care of the other kid or the barking dog down here. And it's great because we have more arms and we can do things. And that's true for yourself, and that's true for how you deal with your partner. So when you're getting out of the house and you have all of this stuff and you're putting one thing here and putting one thing here and putting one thing around your shoulder, that's the same thing. It's just having more arms to do more work.